Chapter 13 Concept of Angles Learning Objective. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to classify angles, measure and draw angles using a protractor. Warm up. Look at the dancing figures and mark the angles. Draw 2 more dancing pictures. Teacher's note: ask the student to notice how the hands of the clock are positioned at different times of the day. As we know that the figure formed by joining two rays having some initial point is known as an angle. Here, angle 1 is known as an interior angle because it lies inside the arms AB and BC. Angle 2 is known as exterior angle because it lies outside the arm AB and BC. Classification of angles. 1. Acute angle. If the measure of an angle is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, then it is known as an acute angle. In the given figure, angle ABC is equals to 60 degrees less than 90 degree. Angle ABC is an acute angle. 2. Obtuse angle. If the measure of an angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, then it is known as an obtuse angle. In the given figure, angle ABC is equals to 120 degree is less than 180 degree. 90 degree. Angle ABC is an obtuse angle. 3. Right angle. If the measure of an angle is equal to 90 degree, then it is known as right angle. In the given figure, angle ABC 90 degree. Angle ABC is a right angle. 4. Straight angle. If the measure of an angle is 180 degree, then it is known as straight angle. In the given figure, angle ABC is equals to 180 degree. So angle ABC is a straight angle. 5. Reflexing angle. If the measure of an angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, it is known as reflex angle. In the given figure, angle ABC equals to 250 degree. So angle ABC is the reflex angle. 6. Complete angle. If the measure of an angle is 360 degree, then it is known as complete angle. In the given figure, angle ABC equals to 360 degree. Angle ABC is a complete angle. 7. Zero angle. When the two arms of an angle overlap each other, they form an angle of 0 degree. Such angles are known as zero angle. In the given figure, angle ABC equals to 0 degree. Angle ABC is a zero angle. Facts to know. The word angle comes from the Latin word angulus, meaning corner. Pairs of angles. 1. Complementary angles. If the sum of the measure of two angles is 90 degree, then they are known as complementary angle. The one angle is said to be the complement of the other. In the given figure, angle DBC equals to 60 degree, angle ABD equals to 30 degree. Angle DBC plus angle ABD equals to 60 degree plus 30 degree equals to 90 degree. So angle ABC plus angle ABD are known as complementary angle. We can also say that angle DBC is complement of angle ABD or angle ABD is complement of angle DBD. 2. Supplementary angles. If the sum of the measure of two angles is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. The one angle is said to be the supplement of the other. In the given figure, angle BOC is 60 degree, angle AOC is 120 degree. Angle BOC plus angle AOC is equals to 60 degree plus 120 degree equals to 180 degree. So angle BOC and angle AOC are known as supplementary angles. We can also say that angle BOC is supplement of angle AOC or angle AOC is supplement of angle BOC. Quick tip: it is not correct to write angle BOC. We should write either angle BOC or angle BOC. Solved examples. Example 1. Find the complement of an angle of 40 degree. Solution: complement of 40 degree, 90 degree minus 40 degree equals to 50 degree. Example 2. Find the complement of an angle of 32 degree. Solution: complement of 32 degree, 90 degree minus 32 degree equals to 58 degree. Example 3. Find the supplement of an angle of 100 degree. Solution: supplement of 100 degree equals to 180 degree minus 100 degree equals to 80 degree. Example 4. Find the supplement of an angle of 102 degree. Solution: supplement of 102 degree equals to 180 degree minus 102 degree equals to 78 degree. Exercise 13.1. Question 1. List the point which lie on A, the interior of angle LOM. B. The exterior of angle LOM. C. Angle LOM. Question 2. Without measuring, classify the following angles as acute, obtuse, right, reflexive, straight, or complete. Answer: A. Acute, B. Obtuse, C. Right, D. Straight, E. Reflex, F. Obtuse, G. Acute, H. Right, I. Complete, J. Acute. Question 3. Classify the following angles as acute, obtuse, right, straight, reflexive, complete, and 0. A. 40 degree acute, B. 0 degree 0, C. 180 degree straight, D. 90 degree right, E. 130 degree obtuse, F. 360 degree complete, G. 250 degree reflex, H. 92 degree obtuse, I. 86 degree acute, J. 196 degree reflex, K. 150 degree obtuse, L. 12 degree acute. Question 4. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary angles or supplementary angles. A. 30 degree 150 degree supplementary angles. B. 35 degree 55 degree complementary angles. C. 70 degree 110 degree supplementary angles. D. 20 degree 70 degree complementary angles. E. 115 degree 65 degree supplementary angles. F. 45 degree 45 degree complementary angles. G. 100 degree 80 degree supplementary angles. H. 120 degree 60 degree supplementary angles. I. 15 degree 75 degree complementary angles. J. 110 degree 70 degree supplementary angles. K. 50 degree 40 degree complementary angles. L. 32 degree 58 degree complementary angles. Question 5. Find the complement angles of each of the following angles. A. 80 degree 10 degree, B. 25 degree 65 degree, C. 35 degree 55 degree, D. 42 degree 48 degree, E. 15 degree 75 degree, F. 43 degree 47 degree, G. 29 degree 61 degree, H. 68 degree 22 degree. Question 6. Find the supplement angle of each of the following angles. A. 112 degree 68 degree, B. 58 degree 122 degree, C. 40 degree 140 degree, D. 125 degree 55 degree, E. 83 degree 97 degree, F. 59 degree 112, G. 108 degree 72 degree, H. 90 degree 90 degree. Measuring angles using protractor. Protractor is an instrument used for constructing or measuring angles. It is found in our geometry boxes. It is a semicircular piece of plastic and is also known as D. We measure angles in degrees. A complete round in a protractor is divided into 360 equal parts or points. Each part is denoted by 1 degree. The midpoint on the horizontal edge of the protractor is known as central point of the protractor. A protractor has two scales, inner, outer. The one scale begins with 0 on the right and runs towards left to 180 degree. The other scale begins with 0 degree on the left and runs towards right to 180 degree. Solved example. Example 1. Measure angle AOB. Solution. To measure angle, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Place the protractor on the angle in such a way that its central point lies on 0 and horizontal edge lies on arm OB. Step 2. Observe the protractor and see that arm OA passes through 60 degree. Measure of angle AOB equals 60 degree. Example 2. Measure angle LMN. Solution. Step 1. Place the protractor of the angle in such a way that its central point lies on M and horizontal edges lies on arm MN. Step 2. Observe the protractor and see that arm LM passes through 120 degree. Measure of angle LMN 120 degree. Note: sometimes we have to measure an angle given in any of the position given below. For this, place the central point of the protractor on the angle. Thus, in the above position, protractor can be placed in the direction as shown. Exercise 13.2. Question 1. Measure the following angles using a protractor. Drawing lines using protractor. Solved example. Example 1. Draw an angle of 65 degree using ruler and protractor. Solution. To construct an angle of 65 degree, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Draw a ray AB. Step 2. Place the protractor on the ray AB in such a way that its central point lies on point A and its horizontal edges lies on AB. Step 3. Mark the point on 65 degree and mark it as C. Step 4. Remove the protractor. Step 5. Draw a ray joining AC using ruler. Angle CAB is the required angle such that angle CAB is equals to 65 degree. Example 2. Draw an angle of 120 degree using ruler and protractor. To construct an angle of 120 degree, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Draw a ray AB. Step 2. Place the protractor on the ray AB in such a way that its central point lies on point A and its horizontal edges lies on AB. Step 3. Mark the point on 120 degree and mark it as C. Step 4. Remove the protractor. Step 5. Draw a ray joining AC using ruler. Angle CAB is the required angle such that angle CAB equals to 120 degree. Exercise 13.3. Question 1. Use protractor to construct the following angles: A 75 degree, B 120 degree, C 85 degree, D 125 degree, E 90 degree, F 100 degree, G 50 degree, B 29 degree, C 150 degree, I 57 degree, E 20 degree, F 170 degree. Think wisely. The hands of a clock form a right angle at 9 p.m. At what time again will a right angle be formed by the hands? Mental math. Answer the following in one word. 1. An instrument used for constructing or measuring angles. Protractor. 2 angles are measured in degrees. 3. The measure of an angle is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Acute angle. 4. An angle that measures less than a right angle. Acute angle. 5. An angle that measures equal to 90 degree. Right angle. Maths lab activity. Materials required: square sheet of origami paper about 12 cm into 12 cm with one blue and one black side. Steps: 1. Fold and unfold to make a center crease. 2. Fold along the dotted lines to the center line. 3. Like this. 4. Like this. 5. Fold the left corner along the dotted line. 6. Fold in half along the dotted line. 7. Fold both the upper tips inside and fold the right tip backwards to make the tail. 8. Like this. 9. Draw an eye, mouth, your is ready. How many right, acute and obtuse angle can you see in the whale?